everyone. I am going to be making a corn relish, and I am charring the kernels of my corn before I relish it. Instead of steaming or cooking it, I decided I wanted to bring in a little charry flavor, which I think will give it a nice country flavor, sort of, and it also it brings all the sugars to the surface, which makes it really nice. I've already done a batch. This will be the first part in making this relish, and it'll be the first time I make it. So I'm hoping that it'll come out, which I'm sure it will, because I've made relish, zucchini. Last year I made zucchini relish, zucchini carrot relish, and this year I'm going to make the corn relish. But it's going to have peppers in it as well. So I'll show you that in the next clip. They do pop. They have a tendency to pop. Another way of harvesting these kernels is just leave them on the cob and then char them however you want to char them, and then go ahead and cut them off. But I took the kernels off first and then I went ahead and I did it this way because I just thought it was better. So you want to make sure you get all the little tiny strings all out, because I do have some strings in there. And this will be the first step in making the corn relish, which I'm excited to make. And it should be very delicious because it's totally different. It's going to have, like I said, it's going to have the char flavor in there, which is what I want in this corn relish. So, okay, and I'll be putting in other ingredients. I'll talk to you soon. Alrighty.